Hi friends, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for all your lovely comments. Ina K, thank you especially for writing such long um, comments. Really appreciate you. I was off social media for 4 5 days. I'm sorry, I could not reply. Honestly, I was just taking a break. I was just taking a break, and it was a blessing. And a lot of I was taking a break, a lot of downloads came into me. 1 minute, let me see if I can read some of the comments. I'm happy that people are liking my content. हाँ, है कि नहीं? कहाँ गया let me read out some of them if I can. I will read out. What I want to say is that once upon a time I had a lot of bookish knowledge, and I used to be very uh, proud about it. कि मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे पता है करके, right. आई वॉज़ अ म्यूज़िक लवर, तो इंग्लिश और हिंदी और किसी चीज़ का म्यूज़िक नॉलेज है, ये आता है वो आता है. बट एज वी ग्रो ओल्डर एंड ओल्डर आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस. Right, I was very proud about being a book lover and knowing so many things from the books. Very proud person, very this. And when I share my personal experiences, every experience of every individual is different, right? I am not a perfect person, okay, but I've learned things the hard way. Just say, I'll give you an example. When my mom was around, she takes the forefront. मतलब वो कोई task share नहीं करती थी, and even if I'll do some task, she'll very subtly take the credit for it, or I will not get any mention of it. So I hope you understand. So when people live with their parents, and if your parents are very ambitious and insecure, they don't let their children grow. Now the very reason, because I was a wild child, I took this decision of living in, I went abroad because वो मुझे बहुत easily मिला था via my cousin or something. Not that I was very fond of Gulf, frankly speaking. I'm just giving an example. अब मुझे opportunity बहुत easily मिली, so I went. And second third time I struggled quite a bit, but it was because of my own initiative. I saw things differently. If I was like this at home, I would definitely be a behenji all my life. I'm telling you this. Okay, now things, when I'm handling things independently, which I used to do previously, so you see the confidence of a person when they live, when they are handling things independently, right now. I hope you understand. And today I went to some vela kind of, I should say, meeting. ये औरतों के पास और कोई काम नहीं रहता है क्या? बस रिलीजियस बुक्स उठा के उसके ऊपर से कोई एक जाने दो. आई एम लाइक, हाँ यार, समोसा खा के आ गए, मैं छाछ पी के समोसा खा के आ गए. Babu K, I agree with Ina K, those African. That day, because I had worn red. See, whenever I wear red, like it was that kurta, when I wear red bindi, red lipstick, a woman's beauty is 10 times more. And I never used to wear red lipstick because I thought it never may. I used to only have a maroon and a plum shade. This is at least pink. Plum shade is a purple shade. So I used to have only these two shades, and I used to only use that only in just last year. Since this year I experimented a lot with a lot of different colors and variety and all that kind of things with my look also. So yes, it does give a different look altogether. Nice shades, this looks very simple. So that's what I was trying to say. onion knife dipping. See, if people do not are not comfortable with my content, I would suggest that don't watch it rather than simply being triggered. And I agree with Inake that the doctors are very, very egoistic and narcissistic. I did not use that word, but they are like this because they think they are in this healing business, हेल्थ एंड रिकवरी और हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस, सो दे आर द फाइनल अथॉरिटीज. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई एम टेलिंग यू, so many of our illnesses are mental. See, if I was mentally damaged, then my recovery will take 1,000 times more. Always remember, I'm talking about personal accident. It's not that it was a happy space for me, or I could not even hold things. I could not even hold a glass of water, and even a spoon. This was totally shattered and damaged. If this was my head, I would be dead on the spot. My skull would have been smashed like a coconut. I would be dead on the spot. But God is great. And I'm telling you one thing, when this accident was, I was telling the rickshaw, "Dheere chalao," and I passed the same way twice. And I said, why is this happening? I remember the rickshaw person saying, "Madam, मैं यहाँ से लेके जाऊँ." Then I told him, नहीं, यहाँ से लेके जाओ. जबकि आई कुड हैव गॉन टू दी अदर साइड. मैंने बोला नहीं, ये शॉर्टकट पीछे का रास्ता रहेगा ना, तो ये कट डाउन होके मैं जल्दी पहुँचूँगी घर. नाउ इफ़ आई वर टू लिसन टू द टैक्सी ड्राइवर, आई वुड हैव गॉन टू दी अदर साइड. मुझे कुछ नहीं होता. बट व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, जब तुम्हारे शनि बोलते हैं ना, जब तुम्हारा बुरा वक्त आता है ना, तुम किसी भी तरफ से तुम उस रास्ते से जाओगे. एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि वाई एम आई गोइंग टू दिस वे, एंड आई एम स्केर्ड. आई यूज टू सी वन पर्टिकुलर ट्री एंड गेट वेरी स्केर्ड. आई सेड, am I going to get smashed into this? Seriously, I was thinking that only, and that happened. And if I were to take another route, maybe some other day in some other place, this accident would have happened. But it happened in a place where, especially these days, that highway is so busy back to back because they have renovated. मतलब they've done brand new, क्या बोलते हैं ना, the road works have been done. So now it is far more. In fact, when my accident took place, the vehicles were very less. Like less movement was there. If there were vehicles coming in, I would be crushed under on other vehicles because they are speeding, because it's a highway that side, right? Or बीचों बीच जंगल के बीचों बीच, back road is jungle. So you have to understand कि ये forest, तो you have to understand we can be in the, we think that we can avoid certain things. Your own life should be a teacher. And as I said, तन की बीमारी, मन की बीमारी ही तन की बीमारी होती है. If we know how to control our mind, it was not an easy task. I'm telling you, it was not an easy thing for me to just go through it. And of course my mom supported me and all that, but and I quickly recovered as in sense, because I used to do things independently within 1 month, like literally, क्योंकि ये हाथ, I could 15 days I could hear cut, because after 15 days the surgery was done. I could actually hear the bones creaking. They were in pieces. So if I can come out of such tragedies, I think people can overcome. Faith होना चाहिए कि I will, I can, I will. और तुम्हारे medical bills भी will be also going pretty smoothly. People think only if insurance is there we can. तुम्हें बचना है, तुम्हें निकलना है, तुम्हारे फाइनेंसेस भी अरेंज हो जाएंगे. ये मत सोचो कि इफ़ यू आर डूइंग सर्जरी इन द बेस्ट ऑफ हॉस्पिटल्स यू विल रिकवर फास्टर. ओके, दे आर मच मोर क्लीनर एंड सैनिटाइजेशन, और उनका स्टैंडर्ड्स बहुत हाई होते हैं बिकॉज इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं. व्हाट एल्स विल आई टेल यू. यस, आई रेस्टेड क्वाइट अ लॉट, और काफ़ी सारे डाउनलोड्स आ रहे थे. तो मैं अपने दिमाग में सोच रही थी कि शांति, कि my life was so stuck, like stuck. I was stuck. Not that now there is a huge movement, but I'm just saying, my gardening has yielded me. It's giving me such a pleasure to see my this. It's like really my compost. I should really make a business out of this. It's a secret way of making things. We have really worked hard on this compost. It's giving excellent results. Excellent results. My cooking has become better and better and better and better. Sorry, I thought I'll just have a word with you people and just लोगों के पास इतनी फुर्सत होती है ना just to give some ज्ञान and just to feel great about themselves. I think people shouldn't be bothered about my belief system. If my belief system is my belief system, I'm very open with it. Agar people are atheist, whoever is a atheist is not comfortable, they can hop, skip, jump. They better not visit my channel because I am a godly person. I am in love with my, I won't say divine and all that universe. That's too fancy. I would say my creator. So I am very much that way. So if people who are atheist and all shouldn't be visiting her. And I would request ही मैं बोलूँगी to all the ladies who are in no contact with their partner, in the sense there is a break or a breakup or a major misunderstanding. I don't want to sound like a love guru, but based on my personal experience and as much, do not watch tarot readings. तुम एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए देखते हो, ठीक है, देख लो, खुश हो जाओ. But it is my request again and again, do not comply to do not keep looking forward कि तुम्हारा पार्टनर क्या सोचता है, उसके डीप डार्क फीलिंग्स क्या है, या is he going to come back, or if he is not going to come back, that is you are a better judge because it is your relationship. And because ये tarot readers, they do collective readings which is nowhere applicable to your life. So do not live in this illusion. So everybody's lifestyle is different, and if I can understand तुम्हारे सालों की especially people who are in committed relationship and they have a breakup after many years, so many things are there. Okay, if you have kids, it's on a different level altogether, but if you don't have kids, it's on a different level, but nonetheless breakup is a breakup. So, and if you're going through a break or a breakup, it happens. What is the this what are the considerations, ये वो. Abhi if you tell me, as I said, after the break or the breakup, I saw my guy for 3 times. Like उसने मुझे सबके सामने हाय बोला, बट मैंने उसको कम्प्लीटली इग्नोर किया क्योंकि उसने मेरा दिल इतना दुखाया था कि दो ही वॉज लाइक प्रिटेंडिंग कि नहीं सब ठीक है एंड ऑल दैट, नहीं. एंड द अदर टाइम वो बहुत दूर जाके खड़ा रहा, एकदम लाइक इन द शैडोज, and he was standing there and he was just staring, like he was pretending to talk to somebody but he was staring into me. और उसको ये भी चीज़ पता है कि मुझे ना when he is wearing his mustache, मुझे बिल्कुल, so he wanted to trigger me, तो he had come like that कि मैं कुछ भी उठा के उसको बोलूँ I don't like your t-shirt and I am very vocal about it, certain things which don't suit him, please, like he was literally triggering me so much. But when I saw him that after the breakup 3 times यहाँ कहीं तो देखा, I did not react, not out of hatred, it's just nothingness. There was nothing. It's that I was indifferent. It's not that I hated. I won't hate him, but there was no feeling. There was nothing, क्योंकि उसने इतनी बुरी तरह से चीज़ें की है ना, और उसने इतनी पोलाइटली और नाइसली किया है सारी चीज़ें, सारी हरकतें. एंड देन वो सॉरी बोलना, जैसे वो दफन करने के टाइम पे कफन पहनाने के वक्त वो ऐसे फूल चढ़ाते ना, वैसे. सो there was nothing, there's no hatred, but it was like a blank feeling कि it was like a stranger, do I even know him kind of a thing. So I would only tell ladies कि let go करो, it's okay क्या मुझे तकलीफ़ नहीं हुई? इतना सारा इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट, इतना सारे होप्स, डिज़ायर्स, फीलिंग्स, मेमोरीज ऑल गोइंग ऑन वन फ्लैश, स्पेशली व्हेन आई रियली नीड द सपोर्ट. तो इसलिए आई एम टेलिंग फीमेल्स, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू मैन, आई एम टॉकिंग टू फीमेल्स राइट नाउ. लेट गो, लेट गो, लेट गो, लेट गो. लिटरली फॉर मी, बिफोर वो किसी एक लेडी से बात भी करता ना, पूरे तन बदन में आग जलती थी. आई यूज्ड टू बी सो जेलस, सो पोजेसिव, सो इनसिक्योर. And he did exactly the same thing. He sat down, he was sitting next to a female and he was chit chatting with people like as though he was happy go lucky, it didn't bother him, ये वो. और कोइंसिडेंटली उसका भाई भी था जिसको हम एक दूसरे को पसंद नहीं करते हैं ओपनली. तो और उसका भाई नज़र रख रहा है कि हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. इट्स सो स्ट्रेंज, इतना अजीब. जबकि वो उसका छोटा भाई है, जबकि मेरा और उसका बिल्कुल भी नहीं जमता है. बहुत बहसबाजी भी हुई है हमारे बीच में और एक दूसरे को हम बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि वो किस तरह से था वो सिनेरियो. मैंने तो बिल्कुल जैसे बोलते हैं ना, जैसे स्ट्रेंजर जैसे मैं इतनी जेलस हो जाती थी. देन आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू समबडी, तो ही वॉज लाइक वंडरिंग कि एम आई डूइंग, आई एम मेकिंग हिम. मैं उसको जेलस नहीं कर रही थी. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई वॉज सिटिंग एंड टॉकिंग टू एन एक्वेंटेंस, दैट्स इट. और वो दैट बंदा वॉज लुकिंग रियली हैपनिंग, लाइक मैनली मैन. उसने सोचा कि ब्रेकअप करके मैं इसके साथ लगी पड़ी हूँ और मुझे कोई काम नहीं है. कि ब्रेकअप नहीं हुआ और रीबाउंड में दूसरे रिलेशनशिप में गिर गए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू कैन हैव अ कैजुअल सेक्स और अ फ्लिंग विद पीपल, बट दैट विल नॉट फिल यू अप. बिकॉज कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप आर ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑल टुगेदर. पहले मुझे इन चीज़ों की समझ नहीं आता था. I was very childish and immature, right? Literally. अभी ऐसा है कि ठीक है यार, it's okay. And I said, भगवान, मैंने मांग के क्या मांग लिया? श्राइन में जाके कुछ अच्छा मांगती तो 10 करोड़ ही मांग लेती नहीं देते तो भी it's okay. मांग के क्या मांग लिया मैंने? ना I was feeling bad and I said I'm sorry. कुछ ऐसा मांगा हो तो अगर आपकी मर्ज़ी नहीं है तो इट्स ओके. इफ दिस हैज़ टू गो, लेट इट गो, लेट इट बी. दैट्स मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करती हूँ. स्टॉप डूइंग ऑल दी स्पेल कास्टिंग, प्रेइंग, क्राइंग, लेट हिम कम बैक. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. अगर अ पर्सन हैज़ टू कम बैक, ही विल कम बैक. योर एक्स हैज़ टू कम बैक, विल कम बैक इफ दे हैव टू कम बैक. एंड इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू हैव अ रिलेशनशिप. बट ये रोना धोना बंद कर दो. ये अपने आप को, एज ए सेड, इट अफेक्टेड मी लाइक क्रेजी. इट अफेक्टेड मी. यू नो, व्हेन आई सॉ हिम आफ्टर द ब्रेकअप, मेरा, और वो एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर 1 week आई सॉ हिम एंड माई हार्ट वॉज लाइक, हे भगवान, ये इसको देखा मैंने 3 बार देखा ऐसे, 2-3 बार. तो इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रेंज. इट वॉज अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज एक्सपीरियंस. दैट्स ऑल आई वॉन्ट टू से. And thank you once again everybody for watching my content. And how do I look in pink? This is my Masi's gift. Actually, my Masi also has given me something, like it reminded me of my mother. Whatever didn't fit her, she like, no, you do this, you wear this. At least my mom was slim. This one is little plumpy. Okay, then take care of yourself.